Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Interactive Brokers. First, ensure your Interactive Brokers account is fully funded and approved for options trading. You'll need to navigate to the Trading Permissions section within your account management portal. This step is crucial for accessing the options market. We will then explore the Trader Workstation platform, or TWS, to find and analyze option chains. To begin, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal. From there, locate the Settings menu and then Account Settings. Under Trading Permissions, you will find the option to request access for options trading. Be prepared to answer questions about your trading experience and financial situation. Approval typically takes 1 to 2 business days, so plan accordingly before you start trading. Once approved, open Trader Workstation, or TWS. Search for the underlying stock you wish to trade options on. Right-click the ticker and select Option Chain. Here, you'll see various strike prices and expiration dates. Choose your desired call or put, then specify the quantity, order type, like a limit order, and price. Review your order carefully before transmitting it to the market. After placing your trade, monitor its performance in the Portfolio tab within TWS. You can adjust or close positions as needed. Consider setting stop-loss orders to help manage potential downside risk, especially with volatile options. Remember, options trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.